Hello and welcome back to the channel. Have you thought about delving into DeFi and seeing what else you can learn and how else you can trade other than sticking to the normal CEXs like your Binances? Have you wanted to delve in deeper and you want to learn about NFTs and decentralized exchanges? Well, this is the video that's going to get you set up with starting to do that. In this video, I'm going to be talking about MetaMask, how to set MetaMask up, how to trade with MetaMask, and how to use MetaMask correctly and safely so you don't lose money and you can keep going and keep trading and also hopefully make some extra money. So here we go. Let's get into this. So as you can see, I have loaded up MetaMask here. I've just Google searched MetaMask. So this is the website for MetaMask. This is going to be a raw video. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about how to get it on your laptop or your PC. I mean, there's an app on your phone that you can easily download and get set up with. So I'm just going to click download here. And I'm going to install MetaMask for Chrome. So I'm just going to add this to my Chrome account, add extension. So it's been added. So I'm just going to agree to their terms and conditions. I am then going to create a new wallet. I agree to the terms and conditions. I need to enter a password. So let me just do that quickly. I understand the terms and conditions, create new wallet. Secure my wallet. It's up to you what you do with this step. It's just an extra safety precaution to save your keys. I'm going to just say do it later. But I would recommend not skipping that step, and I would recommend going through it, save your private key. For this video, I'm just going to continue on. We've added it to a browser already, and this is it. This is basically MetaMask, guys. This is your wallet. This is what you're going to be looking at every time you log on to MetaMask. Now, there's a little bit to learn here, so I'm going to just start from the top and let's just work our way down. So this is going to be your account name. Now, you can change this. It's just here. If you press the three little dots, account details, it's here. So let's just put this, I'm going to name this main. So this will be my main wallet. Okay, so this is going to be my numero uno. This is where I'm going to send any crypto from an exchange to this wallet. I'm going to run through a few safety features with you that I like to use. I've been stung before where I've connected my wallet to a malicious website and I've had it all drained. And I thought, why have I done that? You know, everyone goes through it. No matter how safe you think you're being, you could always take extra steps to be safe. So we've just renamed our main wallet. Now, if you look under here, this is your wallet address. So if you can click that, copy it, paste it, give it to your friends, and this is what you're going to be sending your Ethereum to. If we come over here to the left-hand side of the screen where it says Ethereum mainnet, you click that drop-down menu, this will allow you to add new networks. So with your wallet address that you've just set up here in MetaMask, this is Ethereum mainnet. Now, your wallet address will also be the same on Avalanche chain, Matic chain. I mean, I'm going to click on this here. So all these chains here, Base Network, Polygon, you can add all of these to MetaMask and use the exact same wallet as your Ethereum wallet. They all share the same wallet address. So if you've got BNB, you know, Binance Smart Chain, if I add Binance Smart Chain, I'll approve that. So now if I dismiss this, I can now click on the drop down and click Binance. So this has now taken me to my Binance wallet, and as you can see, the wallet address is exactly the same. So that's just something good to know. It also means that you need to be careful if you're sending someone cryptocurrency. You need to make sure that you're sending them on the right chain. I've made that mistake before of sending USDT on Ethereum to a different chain, and it's a bit of a headache. So just make sure that if you're sending crypto, you're sending it to the right chain. However, let's just stick to Ethereum mainnet for now. So as you can see, we've got no balance in here. So if I wanted to just load this wallet up and receive some Ethereum, I would just copy this wallet address and send it from my Binance account or my Coinbase account, whatever exchange you use. That's absolutely fine. So as you can see here, this gives you a token list of everything you own. Obviously, we don't own anything at the minute, so that's fine. So we can also buy Ethereum through MetaMask. I've never actually done this myself, so I won't know how successful this is or how easy this is to do. But I'm assuming you just connect your wallet and then send them via bank transfer or something. But like I said, I've never done this before, so I would recommend, unless you've done it before, maybe just stick to your Coinbase or your Binance. Your Binance. Now, if you click receive tokens, it'll also give you a QR code, so you can then send it through a QR code as well. Now, import tokens. This is quite an important one. So if you're buying meme coins, let's just take this for example. So let's just say I want to find let's go on Dex Screener actually. So let's go to Dex Screener quickly, and I'm just going to find a random token. So let's just go to Ethereum here, this 3AC. So let's just say that I've bought this token, okay, and now what I want to do is it's not appearing in my MetaMask wallet, okay. Typically speaking, when new coins have launched, if you just bought a new coin, unless the developer of that token has updated the details on Etherscan and I believe it's CoinGecko, it won't show in your MetaMask wallet. So to manually import them, if you click import tokens, click custom token, and just paste the contract address in here, it should automatically fill this out for you, and then you can just import it. So if you had have bought this 3AC token, you will see that here. You will see your balance. You may not see its USD value just yet, like I said, until that developer or the owner of that token has updated their CoinGecko page. I think it's CoinGecko. It might be CoinMarketCap. I'm not entirely sure. But until they've done that, then it won't show the USD value. But at least you can see that your tokens are there. You can buy, sell, and swap from here. So what I'm going to do now, let's bring up Uniswap. So let's just say, for example, then you are wanting to invest in this 3AC. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that contract address again. We're going to click here. We're going to click sign in. MetaMask detected. So as you can see, it's showing the main wallet here, but what we don't want to do is connect our main wallet to anything. So like I said to you earlier, what you really want to do is keep your main wallet for just on and off ramp. That's all you want it for. You want to bring crypto on and you want to take it off. So this is the only one that you really want to be using for your Coinbase, Binance, on and off, whatever. So what we're going to do here, we're going to click on the drop down menu and we're going to click on add account. So we're going to add a new Ethereum account, and I'm going to call it meme coins, meme. So as you can see now, if I click on this drop down menu, I have my main account, I have my meme account. So what I want to be doing is sending Ethereum to my main account, and then what I want to do is just send a small amount to my meme account. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to make sure that you're getting into good habits now, rather than making the mistake of just willy-nilly connecting to any wallet, to any website, not really thinking about it. And then what it ends up doing is, like I did, you end up making the mistake of connecting to a malicious website. And by the time you've done that, it's game over. They've drained your wallet, and no one wants that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to Uniswap. Now, obviously, you always want to make sure that you are reading the website address, because if this doesn't sound right or this isn't spelt right in any way, then you want to leave it and you don't want to connect your wallet to it. I know that this is safe, so I'm going to go connect to MetaMask, and then I want to connect my meme account. So if we go next, I want to confirm, and that is just going to connect my MetaMask to this website. And as you can see now, 0x63FD, 0x63FD. So that is it. So we are now connected to Uniswap. Now Uniswap is a decentralized exchange. So it's not like your Coinbases and your Binances. It's very, very similar. But anyone who is anyone can launch their own token, and it will be automatically available to trade, buy and sell on Uniswap. So what we've just done is we've taken this contract address, which I just randomly found on Dex Screener. I don't know anything about this project at all. I just saw it was the top one on trending, and I just took the contract address from here and I've pasted it into Uniswap, and it's brought me up a load of information about it. So these are some of the buys and sells. Now, if I was to buy this token through Uniswap, I would want to click on the swap menu. I would want to click on tokens, and I would obviously be trying to find Ethereum. Now, obviously, we don't have any Ethereum right now, so it's going to be really difficult to do that. So obviously, you'd choose Ethereum. You'd tell it how much you wanted to spend, and then you would just click swap. Where it says inefficient balance here, you would click swap. Now, this works the same with NFTs. It works the same with all sorts of stuff. The safety needs to stay the same. You need to be consistent with this, because otherwise what happens is you'll be just using one wallet all the time for connecting and disconnecting, buying, selling, trading NFTs, minting NFTs, or you'll be buying, selling and trading different random tokens. You get yourself lost, you get yourself confused, and you'll end up clicking on something that you shouldn't be clicking on. So if I wanted to add another account, let's just say I'm going to call this NFT. So this is the account that I want to keep my NFTs on. So again, I've just done the same thing. I've clicked the drop down menu. I've added an account. So now we've got 3 accounts. So we've got the main account, the meme account, and the NFT account. So all of these accounts are ours. They're mine. but they all are they're all different private keys. So if I lose access to the main account or I lose access to the meme account, it doesn't compromise the other wallets, which is the really important thing. You want to make sure that you are opening new accounts. I mean, I think on my main account I've got like 50 wallets. That's how serious I take it. I'd rather have a load of wallets that I know that I could just do a few trades on, pull my money out, put it into my main account, and then fund another account from there, because I never want to be keeping money in an account for too long. You always want to make sure that you are keeping the private key for these wallets. So now, for example, if I go to my phone, these wallets won't be on my phone, but what I can do is, let me show you this NFT, for example. So I'm not going to use this account. So if I go on account details, and if I click show private key, so I've just put the password in for that account. So now if I hold to reveal private key, this is the private key for this wallet. Now, if you copy this, you can add it to your mobile phone or whatever. You can gain access to this wallet through this key. So if anyone watching this copies this and then adds it to their MetaMask, they can gain access to this. So you never ever want to give away your private key or your secret keyword phrase. That is an absolute must. No one will ever ask you for this unless they're trying to gain access to your wallet. Even if you think that they're from a legitimate company like Coinbase, it does not matter. Never ever give this away to anybody, because they are trying to scam you. They are trying to take your funds. So you always want to make sure you keep that safe. So what I like to do is I'll make a copy of my private keys and I keep them somewhere safe. You never ever show anyone, never share them with anyone. You can also see your activity, so you can see like what you're trading, what you're buying and selling. You can also see your NFTs. So if I had on my NFT wallet, say for example, I'd bought an NFT, then I can see my NFTs within this wallet. You can see your portfolio, bridge. Now, if we want to mess around on another chain, for example, I wouldn't recommend using this technique. I'm going to make another video on something else which is a lot quicker to bridge to use a bridge. But let's just say, for example, that I want to bridge. So what by bridging, I mean I want to send Ethereum from the Ethereum chain to another chain. So let's say I want to go to the Avalanche network. Okay, so I want to send Ethereum to Avalanche, and I want to send Ethereum, and I want to receive AVAX. So what I'm doing is I'm sending Ethereum from the Ethereum chain and I'm bridging it over and I'm moving it to the Avalanche chain to buy an Avalanche meme, or maybe I just want to buy Avalanche and I don't want to do it through a centralized exchange. I've got plenty of Ethereum, for example, and I think, okay, well, I think I want to invest in Avalanche right now. So then you want to do that. So there's an awful lot of Avalanche memes and Avalanche tokens that you may want to buy as well, but you're going to need Avalanche AVAX to be able to buy that. So then you obviously want to press in 1 ETH, for example. If you wanted to do that, it will then calculate how much Avalanche you receive, and then you would connect your wallet. So let's just connect that wallet. Now, again, you don't want to use your main account. You want to use another account for this. Only keep your main account for sending and receiving ETH or whatever from your exchange. Never connect this anywhere, because this is your safe haven. Okay, so let's just make a new account, for example, and I'm going to call this AVAX. So what I would do is I would send from my main account to my AVAX account, and I would just connect that there. So now that's my AVAX wallet. That's my Avalanche wallet. I know what that's for. So if I now go to MetaMask, I have let's add Avalanche network. So here, so we'll add the Avalanche network here. Switch to Avalanche T chain. Got it. So as you can see here in the top corner, Avalanche chain is now selected. I'm in my Avalanche wallet. So if I had Avalanche here, as you can see, it's now changed the symbol. So we're on the AVAX network. So you would be able to see any AVAX that was received. So let's just say I was swapping 1 ETH for AVAX, I would get 89.6 AVAX, which is about $2,600. I'd then obviously click confirm, and that would run through a process for me, and it would put Avalanche into that wallet. So I will be doing another video on another way that I use to swap and bridge tokens. I've used this a few times, but it can be quite slow. It takes a little while. And sometimes when I'm in a bit of a hurry and I need to get it quick, because a token's launching that I want to buy into, then I will use a different process. But like I said, I'm going to show you that in another video. And that is basically it, guys. I mean, MetaMask is really, really powerful. I use it pretty much every single day. I don't think there's a day that's gone by in the last 6 years that I've not actually checked my one MetaMask wallet. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's a really great tool. It's really good, but you need to be safe. I think that's the premise of this video. It's not so much how to use it, because it is quite self-explanatory. On mobile, it's a little bit different. It's exactly the same premise, but you'll get some buttons at the bottom to take you to the web, like a web browser and stuff. Like I've just done here, I've just opened up a website and I've connected it through the web browser. On mobile, there's a button at the bottom that takes you to the web browser within MetaMask. So if you're trying to do this through your mobile phone, rather than a desktop or a PC or a laptop, whatever it might be, if you're using a mobile phone, then there's a button at the bottom. If you just click the button at the bottom, it takes you to the web browser, and then you would then type in Uniswap or whatever it might be, and it would connect it through their own web browser, rather than using your Google Chrome or whatever else you might be using on your phone. You would use the MetaMask web browser. And that's dead simple. It's super easy to use. So yeah, I think that's the premise of the video, guys. It's keeping safe, making sure that you know what you're doing. But I just wanted to give you a really quick brief overlook on MetaMask, how to use it briefly, because there's going to be a lot of videos coming up that I'm going to need you to know roughly what you're looking at when I'm going through these things, how to buy and sell tokens. Now, there is a much faster way of buying and selling tokens than using Uniswap. And it's a Telegram app. Forgive me. It's a Telegram bot. There's a whole bunch of Telegram bots. But if you're in a hurry and you're trying to beat 300 people to buy in a new launch token, you do not want to be using this method. This is way too slow. If you're looking to buy something that you're going to hold on to for a few months or whatever it might be, a few weeks, then this is perfectly fine. But if you're looking to get in something fast because it's a new token that's launching and you need to be quick, you need to beat the 200 or 300 people that are trying to also buy it at the same time, then there's much faster ways that you can do that. And I'm going to be doing a video on that very soon. So keep waiting around for that. But yeah, if you found this video helpful at all, if you need me to explain anything in further detail, then I'm going to leave a link for my Telegram group in the description. It's a brand new Telegram group, so if you are watching this and you're one of the first to watch this, it's probably going to be a bit quiet in there. But I'm basically creating this Telegram group as a community for people to ask me questions. If maybe I need to cover something in a little bit more detail because you didn't quite understand it, it's absolutely fine. Just reach out to me on Telegram. I'm going to leave my links in the description of this video. So come on over, join the Telegram group. You'll be notified whenever I launch a new video. Or maybe you think, oh hey, I need to understand this a bit better, Al. Can you just explain this to me? And if I feel that more than one person needs to understand this or is something they're looking for, then I'll make a video on it. It's as simple as that, guys. But yeah, if you could, please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video, guys.